Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting data from Word document tables into IBM's SPSS statistics. You can see I have a Word document on my computer. I don't have Word installed and I need or Word or Office installed for using this application. You can see I have a Word document. It's in WordPad, but I have it's a Word document with data in it. It's a list of United States population by area data, and it contains some columns and data in it. And I will be converting this Word table from this Word document into SPS statistics file. And I will do it with application. I will download from my website. This is my website. I will link on this site in the description. To find app, I'll click on search and type SPSS, and I need this create SPSS file. And I click SPSS Word to SPSS, and then click on download button to download archive on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on how to convert different file format to statistics, or convert files, sub-files from statistic into different formats like Excel or Word. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start the installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop, so I can close this and this. And double click on shortcut to launch app. Let's minimize statistics here. So I double click on shortcut to launch the app. Now I will select my Word file. This is state and population. Select it, click on open, click on next. Here I can select if Word document table, first row of Word document table contains column names, I will keep it checked. So I will have all columns names here. So now I can select all columns, or I can select some specific column if I want to. But for this test, let's select them all. Click on next step, and on final step I'll click run to create state and population save file for statistics, and it's asking me for name and location. This name and location is okay. Just click save, and you can see we saved Word to SPSS file. Let's go and open it into statistics. Click on open data, navigate to my Word to SPSS. Click on open, and you can see all data has been imported into statistics, and I have all table here. So yeah, basically that's it. Also, you can run this application from command line if you want to convert command line, like all files into folder or something like this, or schedule conversion. You can do that too. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Thank you.